Welcome back to Pree Dis Vibe with Cosmo. We're still here in the streets of Barbican with my yard beat. Now we have a brand new music video coming to you this week, and it comes from I Octane. It is his latest. It's called My Story. Pree Dis.
Respect to all who wipe your glass. All when summer hype and pass. Me love the youths, me not hide and talk. I will leave and road them walk. Respect to all who sell back juice. Who sell it for help them youth. I will leave and help them go through. Hear me no frost. Man I suffer too long. Yeah, man I suffer too long. Living at the ghetto too long. Man I suffer too long. Me can't even give me mother $2 grand. Man I suffer too long. Yeah, man I suffer too long. Living at the ghetto too long. Man I suffer too long. Hear me no frost. Man I suffer too long. My life is no easy out there. When the system a beat to you out there. Oh, you fi tell the people.
Now, Pree Dis, the patrons who came out at the Wishes a Love Song concert, which was held at the Konshens Spring Golf Club, really enjoyed themselves. Now with performances from J Holiday, Denyque and Chino, and Denyque, of course, we got the Pree right here. Now, Pree Dis. Let the viewers know, are you having fun tonight?
Yes, I am.
And who you came here to see? Who are you most excited to see tonight?
J Holiday.
Why J Holiday?
Do I have to
She
say?
lost my words. She lost. Oh, you like the smooth of R&B.
I love his R&B songs. I love his appearance, everything. I just love
Take the
it.
package sell off. So which tune from him are you exactly looking forward to hearing from him tonight?
Lay you to bed.
Hi, what's up? What's your name?
Tammy.
All right, Tommy, having fun tonight?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
So which artist brought you out here tonight?
Well, initially it was Fantasia, but we all know the situation. But I'm excited to see J Holiday as well.
Okay, so which track from J Holiday is your favorite track and you want to hear tonight?
Bed, Suffocate. I like his songs.
Oh, she know them, man. She not just know. Yeah, she know them.
Yeah, man, done it. Go on, go. Real good. Real good. They don't know Jelly there, come Shelly too, so we don't know what's there. The crowd tonight is a mixture. You have old people, young people, you know, uptown people, people coming from country, so I have to mix it up, you understand? So I'm going to continue mixing it up, but I'm still not going to shellings yet. I'll know I'm not going to shellings yet. So, yo, I'll know I'm not going to shellings yet. So you don't know, say, later on the thing I got to turn up, you see me?
I definitely have to support John. I mean, it's something that, you know, definitely fame endorsed. So we have to come out and support and show my love. Magnum just finished and I just say, you know what, drive, come up and just enjoy myself.
So are you nervous then you come in about to hit the stage? All right.
I'm always nervous, but you know, you have to go up there and get the best you can at all times.
So do you have like a little ritual before you get on stage? You pray or what is it that you do?
Well, I have a little home ritual before I leave the house. I kind of light some candles and I calm myself down. Kind of zen thing.
All right, so which sets are we excited to hear tonight? What are we hearing from you tonight? We're hearing everything?
Definitely, and I have a surprise guest with me. His name is Conqueror. He's going to be performing with me tonight.
And you know where to be seen, because you're gone, and the pieces that I'm in, they can't be made in my hands won't go on.
I'm a victim, I'm wrapped up in your love, and I don't want to rise above. I'm addicted, I do so your love, and I just can't get enough. I'm a victim, wrapped up in your love. You know one time you love it concrete, and when you got me out, you know me never plan it. But I need to do it to you, I'm doing it, I'm doing it with my team. I know it kind of income, from your dream.
Well, I mean, you don't know, I take pride in my performance, you understand? It's all about showcase. It's not about just running up on stage and tracks and just sing some song. You understand? It's all about performance and bring a showcase.
All right, so you just perform on stage. Was it what you expected tonight?
Yeah, man, it was cool, man. I think the people liked it, you know, for the people that came, I think they enjoyed themselves, you know, so I think it was a cool thing.
Is it your first time performing in Jamaica?
Nah, first time in Kingston, though. I was in Montego Bay before, but...
Man, big up my baby, you know. So what you thought about the performance tonight? Anything would change?
Nah, man, I think it was cool. You know, I gave them a little snippet of the new record, and I think they liked it, so...
Why you make me come so soon? Your body is the paper
Hey, we are burn, we bridge them. No, don't burn it. We're still in Barbican. We're going to take our second commercial break. You don't want to go anywhere, you know. We have a lot more Pree Dis right here. Don't move a muscle. We're so forward.